Ni muthenya museo na mwathime ulani wa katano wa matuku 23 mwezi wa kenda mwaka ni wa 2016 valani na wiko ati wakana wende kutania ilungu na mavoku sila kiseseni cha kunamba imwe cha Cheni TV kisese kila kiwete ilungu na mavoku sila kidhiomoni cha kikamba mwondoni wasa mwanza na alani masama Afrika ya umiloni wasua valatu unengelela siyema uvotondo mande na kukitika na uwo tondo uile masito makwa nitawa Jimmy Wambua. Tuambiane kana vatia lite lungweni nini kana usakwani munene wa mwaka wa 2017 vikiye kutoiwa juvyo vya kisiasa no yende kwikinyia na kukusiwa ndeni wa isiosiki valukanganio vandhi ya Kenya. Huyu kaibinda vudhuti na Governor Bomet Bwana Isaac Ruto na munini wa speaker kuma kisioni kiumwandu Joyce Laboso kuvitukania uneni uloloka vikiye kuulucha kivevelo cha ungavana kuma kisioni kiundeni usakwani munene wa mwaka wa 2017 ndeni wa kilengezi kuma visama volisi ni malasimiki ya kutumia vinya kileleni cha kumavalani ya ati mandongo isu. Tuitiana na maundu makonetie uteti ni kanambona ni maikidho kidho maminie kwikiwambene itina okwananua na unengani wa ivaki kwa mavisama volisi ndini wa seso yomwanya na ilaitwe wendini wa isiosiki wadhukangani vandhi ya Kenya kusakuwa makulutu ana mekwatiwa kuvichwa kotini vala mekidhiwa maivingwe wa ikwani onawevo ani maikidho kidhiwa mavikiye kwikiwambene ndini wa kaunti ya Nyeri. Elizabeth Mutiso ni mwandiki witu wa Muvona nutumbanise livoti suka uliku.
Andwana nalani mamusi umwe na umweni musikali na ula udhumu ya uya. Ni makwati wena kuvikwa kiseseni cha volisi cha Nyeri. Valaki kokie chuma niyena esililuwa kuitaivaki wa wasa ni wasikali ula wendeye. Esililuwa mewete kanata medhi wena silingi ngili miongonyanya na zandatu license yangali na muni kauta asia KDF. Munene wa madhi ule na munai ainenane waweta kana esilwa meki ovadhukanu na miyao na vala kwa saivaki ni undu utetikilitwe onavanini.
He wanted to influence, he had his nephew who wanted to join KDF and he wanted to influence the exercise by through corruption, which we don't allow that in our recruitment.
Wengi mundungi umweni wiki wembini ena mwitu wake na mwisukuwe vala na mwome kwenda kwa saivaki utena miyao. Munduwe tikanika kwizia alikilewu yani mwaka ni wangilili na mwonza na adhumu yao ya mwaka ni wangilili na kenda. Iseso yini yende yene site na wakiko ki vala mwikambe wa manaili na yumitie kutata avati wo. Dilivote Cheni chama uvo nitawa Elizabeth Mutiso.
Na tuendeani kana mavisama volisi kuma kisioni cha Liboi kila kingalikoni ya yuli andia ituma matwa ese kunikili julu wa vidhukia jimwe na ila ikusililo kuidwa vikiye kutuwa uwene kundi kune mungu ya kiumama ya Al-Shabaab. Dhini wa vidhukia hiyo visamu wa volisi na ula kuoto kuidwa minie kutiwa na maumi semain woto kuidwa minie kusembova musini wa ilo vikieleloni cha kukwata uitimbe yange. Ona huyu ya vama visama volisi na matwa ese kunikili na valaba wetekana kana ngali imwe ya volisi mudhamba wa Land Rover ni minie kuyo tondo Elizabeth Mutiso na ulani mwandiki wituwa mauvo ukutuwelesia.
kambi imwe ya maofisa ma kuikithia muo na ila kilomita mwanza kuma muvakani wa Kenya na Somalia ne vithukiwe ni kunie kune mungu ya Al-Shabaab kwiyo kwacha. Maofisa nane makwatia maomisie vala tatu mavikiwe kiseseni cha witi cha Dadaab vala nake mundungi umwe vikiwe va musini wa ilovi kukwata witi we mwanya vala ena maomisie mai uwa kaitina maofisa eli kwa na vala miotika nikakwithia mavivitu eni ngudhu ino ya umamai. Ongi maofisa ani mio mandangalia volisi ila ya iye vithukia yendeye kambini ino. Ngwacha ni ya maofisa ma volisi ya National Police Service ni matungi ya maofisa 15 movea kwa kona ni ya kivito weane wo na kukitiandi ya Kenya.
Na tuendelea ni kanandongo ya kakuma kisioni chambusia Mwambe Florence Mutua ni ulisokule kwa Kenya maviki ya kuvetangana na sieko sia ukabila. Ukulio wa Florence uka kamindani kandi ya Kenya yende kuyumba ni sokoni munene wa mwaka wa 2011 na vala vivyo ya kisiasa ili to yende kuikinyia na kukosewa ndeni wa isiosiki vadhukanganio vandhi ya Kenya nao ni uneni wandongo yesu ya kuma kisioni chambusia.
We have a press statement here about what transpired yesterday in Moi University, and it is about the eviction of Professor Laban Ayiro from Moi University, which is a public institution. And our statement reads, "It was with great shock when the whole nation watched on national television channels 2 governors and a host of legislators and MCAs storm a public university to evict a vice-chancellor, demanding that the head of the institution must come from the local community. This was appalling, barbaric, and a step backward to the gains we have made as a nation in terms of cohesion. It is uncouth for people who are expected to be role models to the society in the name of governors and members of parliament to forcefully evict from office a duly appointed public officer to suit their own tribal interests. It is actually catastrophic, for lack of another word to use, that 2 governors and some members of parliament who are supposed to be honorable, leading their tribesmen, singing war songs, to go and evict a fellow Kenyan from a government institution, saying he's an outsider. Which country are we living in now? Kenya is home to 42 communities, and everyone has a right to live in law, to live and work anywhere in this country. Why is this current regime, led by President Uhuru and his deputy William Ruto, sitting back and watching as leaders allied to their party want to take us back? We demand that action be taken against the 2 governors and members of parliament for going against the basic tenets of the constitution, sanity and civility. Sisi hatutaki mambo ya ukabila sisi kama party. Kwanza, munajua mambo yetu sisi kama ODM tumekuwa tukipigania mambo ya kuacha ukabila. Lakini inaonekana sasa hii regime hata vile sahi waliingia in power, hizo vitu zote zinajulikana. Sahi public institutions, especially universities, zimekuwa ni kama tribal cocoons. Na hiyo maneno sisi hatutaki.
Twende kumlikilanga cheni cha Novo la kiseseni cha kunamba yemwe cha Cheni TV. Mwondoni wasa mwanza na alani masama Afrika ya umiloni wasua. Balatu unengelela sema voto ndumande na ukiteka na ugo otundu uili. Na tuende na cheni cha Mvoni kana mwene kivila wanzama Teacher Service Commission Mwandu Lydia Nzomo ni unisokule kwa alimu kwithwa mayeyumilia kwa wingi kamindani kala myanya ya kuandikwa kwa alimu ndumwe na kwamba tuendeve ya viki ya kutangaswa. Mwandu Lydia neni endeto yitina wake kufika kiwanzani chama chako Teachers Training College kielelo ni cha kunena ni siyayulwa mundu makonetie alimu ambalo viki ya kukomana na alimu kuma kaundi ni dhandatu siande eno ya itu ya Kenya. Lucy Nzomba nangewesu kwa uliku.
Alimu masukulu ya musingi na sekondari kuma kaunti ni Dhandatu, Yevo kaunti ya Makueni, Kiambu, Kajiado, Nairobi, Kitui na Masaku, nimethiwe na kikaloki mwana kiwanzani cha Masaku Teachers College. Utongo ine wa mwene kivila wa muvewa kuandika alimu wa TSC, Mwandu Lydia Nzomo. Lydia novivisie alimu kwa soitambia ya kususia miana ya wea. Yamina kumilana inge maitavya alimualangi onamomedhewa mesi kana ivu sotayeyevo aiweta kana ilovia ile vate twende ni wawalanyo wa TSC chelete kutumika undovailete.
So the money today we will say let all teachers move from one job group to the other, but this one is also confined by the funds that are available, and we have to work with those funds because that is what is in the budget. But let me appeal to the teachers that when the posts are advertised, please apply for them, the ones that we need to fill competitively, because what we are saying is that the cake is not very big, but that's the size that we have cannot be shared equitably. And the best way to do it equitably is when posts become vacant or when they become available, we fill them competitively. So we are advising you to even inform your teachers to apply for the posts like the ones I mentioned that are going to be filled competitively.
Oenge Lydia Nowatia kanave vatamunene wa alimu kwedewa mayamba teseo indi atola muti alimu amwe alamedhi tueme kalite kikundini kimwecha udhukumi vanuva miaka miongo 3 aiweta kana mana ilite kudhiko soma masomo ma PPC indi malea.
Appeal to our capture officials here. We also have other teachers promoted through the TPC. And the sad thing is that at times, because what we did last year, we said we want to check the teachers who have been in one job group since they were employed. And we looked through the payroll by product and noted some teachers who have been in one job group for 30 years. So we said these are the ones to be given a chance in the TPC, going up to 25 years. But unfortunately, even when they were invited for the TPC courses, they refused to attend.
Maundo makoneti ya mwekalile wa alimu kuandikwa vamwe na kuvutwa kwa alimu kukevya wa kwekunikelo andini wasilikali siamuti uko. Tanzia imwe ya kwekevya kana alimu ni medhiwana idhinda yanu maesomedhia amaniwa vanduva kwa nangamidha na mechaloni kudhima ofisini manene matiesi.
The other one is now discipline of teachers. Total discipline of teachers will be handled now at the county, and transfers and deployment of teachers. And you see that is quite a bulk of work that we expect to be done properly at the county, sub-county level, so that the teachers have enough time to be in class teaching and not to be traveling from all over the country to the headquarters and spending unnecessarily many days away from the classroom.
Muwanduli diano madhidhisie alimu medhiwana umani wa kutumia mitandao kumana mondo maki umondi nondo nenzia imwe iko kilia utongo wa sukulu va Kenya.
Even on your own to ensure that you are ICT literate. If you are not, if you are continue improving on ICT literacy, because you need the skills to enable you even manage the schools better.
Chanini Chamovo, Ninye Lucy Wanzomba.
Na ndimusese mwendwa aingi media wa Messi kana mundu akitie kumbwa. Anengi niguo nundu twasise nthini wa Biblia niguo nitwisi kana twavikiie kumbwa. Lakini mukamba watene ai vathukanu na sindu cia muthemba ta uvala wesi kana mukamba agitie kulecho kuma itune athea akinya evia yemwe nthini wa kisio cha Nzawi kuni kaundini ya Makueni angi maweta masia kana avikiie kwiyethila nthini wa kimachamboni okilaki Makueni. Lakini ugo niguo moyulu wa Ngewenu Veronica Mwende wanzoni utambukie kisioni cha Nzawi kalamba vala withiye kana vemalato amwe kati wa mamundu na mang'ombe ala mukamba kuma kisioni kiu waisie kana wavikiye kuikia kana sindu isu yavikiye kuthegwa kuma yoletu ne siathegwa sakinya kisioni kiu 99 mbaya mukamba ya mwe katone divoti isu otondo minete na kumyumbani.
Mbai ya mukamba niyo yina utalo munene vandi ya Kenya. Yina andu mainyiva milioni ili katono itano na ala matuite ile mbetani ya idheo ya umiloni wa sua. Nivezi ya wana mawele sio kivadhukanyo yulu wa umo wa mukamba tamuno ula wisikie ni kana mukamba akitie kutheya kuma yulu na uelesio ula ungi ni kana mukamba ndatheya indi akusiwe kuma muthangani. Nile ndiye muno kwatea ni manyeuma wa mukamba na ulama weta kana aunye yulu na akinithia ivyani ya mulata ivya yila yindini wa kaunti ya Makueni Kimani Tanzaui. Asiai eli ni mama kinwe yulu na alama wetekana tamama tuikie asiai mambai ya mukamba. Kutheya ni kwa ni manengiwe sindu ta ng'ombe, mbui, mbi, nzele na ingi mbingi siya kutumia. Na wakete nesanu kwa na malata mamundu na angi manya muta ng'ombe ivyani yiya mulata ivya ila ikalamba ndini wanzawi. Mbai ya mukamba yisikie muno kwa wimi muno kuibia nyamusi ya musita ng'ombe. Miti kautaimea ukamba nundu ambua nini vela amuma weta kanano taukuno nundu wakikuita mudhukumi wangai Ludwin Craft ula wadhikiwe kanisani wa AAC Kalamba.
Kama hivi kamba nina ikiye kanoni na nyoko ya kamba mnatedia. Nela na ndio na atangiwa. Na manani biwa satani na bika wa Yesu na atangiwe. Ananguma kikamba nina kwamba mnatedia. Ki anombiwe ni ngai.
Ki kilungu kinini cha kivyota alele vala tasisia umo wa mbai ya mukamba na kila chomba nwana cheto kwa kuninye mwitu mwanziu Veronica Mwende Wanzue Tiwanesa.
Hada msese mwendwa isu ningewa yake Veronica Mwende Wanzue naende napiso hati ya tumanende kanano uwa kanato miendini wa kisio kiu kingalikoni ya Kalamba. Niche nicha mwevo mwendoni wasa mwanzia vala tunengelela sema uvo tundu maende na ukitika na uwa. Otondo uili kwa yuva univona vika mudia wacheni cha mwondi utungia mwe mwana. Nunga kuyumia na kutambania na kwa ndini wa mesa cheni cha mwo. Masitoma kwa mita wa jimi wa mbua kumana na kemeri mwekali muinde. Sangoma mwendoni wasa kuminika na unengelelie anange maingi otondo maidhi wa mana viki ya na ukitika. Kuma kwa ni kuendea lunch ya kwa ila Tiwanesa.